So I'm gonna install a package of bees into this hive. So there's about roughly 10,000 bees, give or take, in here. They came from Georgia yesterday, and they were put in this package Wednesday evening, Thursday morning, something like that. So there's a queen in there that's being in a cage that's being protected from the bees, so the bees don't kill her. They get used to her pheromone. So we're just gonna release them and hopefully live happily ever after. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap them down so we can get to the queen and see if she's alive. So we have to remove this cover that houses the can of fluid that is keeping them alive. It's probably high fructose corn syrup in there. Next I'm going to release the take out the queen cage. You have issues when trying to do this with camera. Charlie, do you have a knife or something I can cut this with? What was it made out of? Wow. Okay. We'll do it another way. Don't do this at home. So, there's a queen in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bees with her, and she's the one that's right underneath my thumb, right there. She's the larger one, alive and moving. So that's what we're looking for, the queen that's alive and moving. Right. There's 2 corks on here, one on this end, one on this end. This one underneath the cork, there's a candy plug, so I'm gonna remove this cork. Expose the candy plug underneath there. So the bees can chew the queen out. I'm gonna put it in my pocket so she's kept warm. Right, now that's the fun part. I'm gonna shake all those bees in there.
Is that the package you got?
Yep. 3 pounds of bees, roughly.
Did you smoke them to chill them out?
You could, but they're already stressed.
I think he said that because it's cold too, it helps calm them down a little.
You're not going to be able to get all the bees out. Some of them are stubborn, some of them are sick, some of them are older. The idea is you want to get 90% of them out. Alright, so they're in there. Now I'm going to put the queen in here, and they're going to eat through the candy plug, and they're going to release her, and hopefully in 2 or 3 days she'll be out, accepted, and laying eggs. gently push the cage into the wax so it keeps it nice and tight so it doesn't fall down. There it is. I'm going to put things with water above them so they have access to food. So we don't have to feed them sugar water. I'm going to try not to squish any. I did one. Close it up. That's it. We're done.